be. It's our core foundation, man, grit. In a nutshell, I think it means this. We'll go a little bit longer, we'll push a little harder, and we'll think a little deeper and a little sharper. Like to me, it means we'll play anywhere. We'll play on grass, we'll play on turf, we'll go to a fucking landfill. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you have one ass cheek and 3 toes, I will beat your ass. You just gotta get a hold of them though. If you can just get a hold of them and you start dragging their ass out to the deep, dark abyss, you can drown them. And that's what we gotta be. That's who we have to be. Because that's our domain. That is our domain. Because we'll tread water as long as it takes to fucking bury you. There is no light. There's a song Metallica has, No Leaf Clover. It says, man, when it comes to the soothing light at the end of your tunnel, it's just a freight train coming your way. Just put your head down and go to work. It's about to be fun.